Hello everyone. This is Dorothy and Russell in the kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to grate a cassava using our food processor salad machine. We're going to do a cassava cake. Yeah, so we will be needing coconut milk, condensed milk, a little bit of butter, an egg, and we're gonna peel off first our cassava. Okay, so let's go. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so this is our food processor machine. It comes with 5 cones. So gagamitin natin yung smallest cut, yeah? So, balat na yung ating kamuting kahoy. So, it's really easy. See how quick and easy to grate cassava using the Saladmaster food processor machine. Ganda ba? Yung parang kumain natin. Ay, sige pa. Very quick and easy. Let's now going to put our coconut, our milk, our egg. Let's put our coconut milk. Condensed milk. Okay, I'm in later. Butter. 3 pieces of egg. It's now ready to mix. Natin matangkod dyan kata. Lagyan ko. Sige. Okay, so I'm going to use our Saladmaster oval dish. It's appropriate for oven use and can also be a serving dish. Wow, it's just exacto. So we're going to chuck this one in our in the oven. And we'll come back to you with the
after 35
result in 30 minutes.
So that's bang.
Mistake
Ano?
Sabi ka.
Oh, no. Mayor?
There you go! Our cassava cake is now ready.